eléyìí ti wá lágbára báyìí o. Wòlíì Adédoyin ti jáde lórí gbogbo awuyewuye tó ń lọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Maureen Badejo. Bí àwọn kan ṣe mú ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ hánu tán ní Ọlọ́run ló mú, báyìí ló ṣẹlẹ̀. Wòlíì ti jáde o, ó ní Ọlọ́run ló ń lo Maureen o, ó ní àwọn alágbára tó jùlọ tó bò mọ́lẹ̀ yìí, ó lóun rò pé iṣẹ́ Olúwa náà ń ṣe o, ó ní tó bá yẹ pé iṣẹ́ Olúwa náà ń ṣe, ó ní Jésù gangan nínú Bible wọ́n criticize ẹ̀ left and right, ó ní kò fọlọ́pàá mọ́ anybody o, ó ní àwọn tó ń fọlọ́pàá múyàn yìí, ó ní àwọn àṣírí tó fẹ́ bò ó, ó ní Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ ní jẹ́ kó bò, ó ní láìpẹ́ láì jìnà àṣírí wọn máa tó. Ẹ mọ̀ pé wòlíì Ọ̀dẹ́dọ̀yìn àwọn òkè ń fẹ́ kan pé méjì, wọn kì í polish ẹ̀, bọ́lọ́run bá ṣe fihàn wọ́n ti máa gbé jáde. Now bàbá yìí sọ pé ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí àwọn ti jẹ́ṣẹ́ fárábìnrin yìí pé báyìí máa ṣẹlẹ̀. Wọ́n ní àwọn àṣírí kan yìí máa tún fẹ́ pé àwọn wòlíì míì wọ́n máa lose grace wọn pátápátá. Èmi kan ló sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o, bàbá Ọ̀dẹ́dọ̀yìn ló sọ bẹ́ẹ̀, wọ́n ní Ọlọ́run ló fi hàn àwọn lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Maureen tó lọ yìí. Wọ́n ní àwọn àṣírí tó máa tú ó yìí kọjá bẹ́ẹ̀ gan. This is CROSSBLOGXTV. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ àwọn ìrántí bàbá yìí jẹ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Maureen àti àwọn wòlíì tó ń lo agbára ní Nàìjíríà.
Delivered message to the ministers of God.
No,
Badejo and Lord told her in that messages. See how he now. But the Lord told her that she has to prepare because they are made up of their minds to destroy her. They said she has destroyed their life. That maybe this anything that they want to damage her and destroy her. But now getting to the message I want to deliver now. The Lord have given me such a message before he was arrested. But I did not deliver the message. Because I was not moved to deliver the message. And part of what the Lord said will happen, that is what just pray about that. I want to know something about her. What is God saying about her? I want now explain many things for me. I want to say this categorically. It's not by boasting. Time of prophecy, we are excellent compared to your GO and others. Time of visions, we are excellent more than them. Time of sense and others, and the God of authority, we have an excellent record. When we are delivering the message, we are speaking the mind of God. And during that message, God told me that this is the one that is using her. You might prosecute her, but she will be set free soon. She will be set free soon. The Lord told me that I should look at her. During that ordeal, the Lord is using that ordeal to hold her and break her. He wants to break her. God said, there are different vessels. Others are part of the vessels. There are vessels to the honor. There are vessels to the dishonor. People will be determining which vessel they want to be. Part of the warning the Lord has been giving to us, she didn't take to it. But the Lord still using her. And then the Lord said in that Revelations that I'm using her. I want to tell you that the hand of the Lord is with her. And the Lord has said some certain set of people who will rally around her. There will be the testimonies that will give it to her. There are set of people the Lord has set to risk who will work for her because the innocent Lord are crying. There are some certain set of people who the Lord God have ministered to work with her. If you feel to work with her, you are true. You cannot say. He has many records that I'm not want to use. There are many evidence with her. I want to say this. As the Lord showed me, 100% of the information she's carrying are all true. You might be looking at her as an unbeliever. The Lord is using the weaker vessel to divulge secrets. The Lord will use politicians for him. The Lord will use bloggers. The Lord will use several people for her. Because those who face her, they are demons that they want to consume her. They want to consume her. For every part in the Christendom, in Christianity, even in the race, critics are the part of a gospel. When you fail to also criticize you, I must say you are not preaching the gospel. Christ himself, they call him visible. They criticize him. They criticize him. In our rich society, you can't incite someone and lock them up without taking them to court. In our rich society. But these societies are society where the fool are using police against you. They are using, that is what we are kicking against. Calling someone prophet, calling someone the ministers of God. You are to go there and protect the weak. But they are not protecting the weak, they are destroying them. And move forward. The Lord told me, no, the Lord is correcting now of a particular place. But during this case, the Lord will break her. And the Lord is using her. Which versions you want to be? I saw on that revelation, I saw a particular book that are full of a secret that was given to her. Many secrets will be divulged by her. There are people who has evidence, they will also come out. This is a time the truth will be revealed. Any politician, any police, anyone who tries to cover the justice, they are not said, they will not go punished. Their children will be punished. Anyone who knows the truth, who refuses to stand for it, they will also be punished. I must tell you, I have done something wrong, but in this aspect, the Lord said, it is her. The Lord God is with her. The Lord has raised her, as I said. Those people who have started fighting against the righteous people. Majority of the people that has been kicking against her, part of them will also support her. Part of them, because they are not want to use her to unveil some secrets. Some secrets. Majority of the people will lose. They will lose their grace just because of this. And the Lord told me I should tell her that they should feel relaxed. She must not compromise. They will persecute her. There will be more allegations for her. They will raise more petitions to her for her in order to lock her. But the mighty hand of the Lord has raised for her. There are several people who will rise against her. Those people who are mocking her now, they will celebrate her. I said it as a prophet of this generation. That as the Lord said, his hand is with this case. The Lord is involved in this case. If you think you are fighting for God, you are only destroying yourself. No one is fighting for God in this race. Christ never arrests anyone. Apostles, they never arrested anyone. None of these Matthias tries anyone. They tried anyone. No matter what they said, but they didn't try anyone. What the apostle has, they had authority. Apostle Peter could have petitioned many. Apostle Paul would have The Lord is not looking the way human beings are looking. I remember when I deliver messages to presidents. Several messages are delivered to even the messages about who we deliver. The authority spoke for him. They said, why must he be Tinubu? I said, the Lord is not thinking the way you are thinking. In this matter also, the Lord is not thinking the way human beings are thinking. Messages as one souls for God. That's one goal. You might have looked at it in some certain aspects. Many have been set free. There are many people that have been silenced. This woman shall not be silenced. No one will silence her. She has a God backing. Take it or not, criticize it or not, God is fighting for her. Those who take pride, if anyone take pride in this matter, his citizens will face condemnation. That is message I have been sent to deliver to her. That she should feel relaxed. She should feel relaxed. The Lord is fighting. Where she do not think of end. End will come out. Believe it or not. Some Christian knows the truth. They know the truth. But because they are pulpits, they are puppets. They don't want to say the truth. Many are running away. Because they don't want to suffer. They don't want to be Matthias. We are supposed to speak the truth. They don't want to speak the truth. No matter who petitions are. No matter who those who are fighting now. No matter their efficacy. They shall all be disgraced and fall. That's what the Lord said. I am telling you now, as a prophet of this generation, that the Lord is involved in this message. And the Lord got more Badejo's back. And many of those people who has necessary evidence to bring this into the table, you almost take it out. Unless you will suffer for it. Unless the portfolio was given to her. The portfolio was given to her. That is what I saw in the realm of the spirit. And though she might not give her life to Jesus. Though she might come from a background that is not good. Though she might have spars. Everyone has spars. But what the Lord is telling me that I'm using her. Whether you like it or not. Whether you pray for her or not. Whether you do the needful that Lord said you should do. The Lord is involved. The Lord is involved. Many atrocities. We will see many people now who went against Tinubu when he wanted to contest for the first time. Majority of those are now supporting him now because they don't want their revelations to be divorced. But I'm telling you now, immediately after he might have been marched for second time, majority of your people they will be persecuted. They will persecute them also because majority of their file is with him also. And also say this: we are necessary. Every parastatus, every government parastatus, you must not be used. You must not be used. The truth must be told. That's what the Lord said. That is the Lord's stand on this message, on this plan. I want you to share it. I want you to share it. I'm speaking as a prophet of this generation. And I'm speaking as a prophet of authority. And I'm saying this. Majority of your forefathers, they don't have what the Lord deposited in this ministry. In time of signs and wonders, we pass through you all. In time of prophecies, we are there more than your forefathers. In time of authority, we have authority that swallow that authority. Tell them that they can do nothing to her. May the Lord bless those who is here and those who are listening. Those who believe or not, may the Lord allow occurrence. Occurrence now depends Whether positive or negative, it depends on your thinking.
Mo pa ní àṣẹ gbogbo ọ̀dájú ogun tó sọ pé òrì rí ọ̀nà àbáyọ iná Ọlọ́run máa jó wọn dànù. Olúwa rán mi sí gbogbo ẹ̀yin ènìyàn tẹ́ ń gbọ́ mi. Ó pẹ́ tí Hánà ti lọ sí Ṣílò ṣùgbọ́n lọ́jọ́ kan á dá Hánà lóhùn. Ogun wo lẹ́yìn náà ń là kọjá tó dàbí pé tí ń gbàdúrà tí ò sí ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Ṣé ní ìlú tẹ́ wà ní òkè òkun, ṣé ní Nàìjíríà ni, ṣé lórí iṣẹ́ ni, lórí ọmọ ni, ohun gbogbo lórí ìgbéyàwó ni, ohun gbogbo tẹ́ ń là kọjá tó dàbí ogun. Ẹ jẹ́ a jọ gbàdúrà, ẹ jẹ́ a jọ wá ojú Olúwa. Kò sí tọ́lọ́run ò lè ṣe. Àfi tí yóò bá ti pàdé wòlíì tiẹ̀, òun ló máa dàbí pé kò sí ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Olúwa ló rán mi sí ọ wípé àkókò yín ti tó. Ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ fi pè mí láti jọ gbàdúrà papọ̀ kájọ wá ojú Olúwa, kájọ mú àṣírí ogun eléyìí tó ń jà yín. Òun náà ni +234 7025 47 5427 lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí +234 7025 47 5427. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń pè mí fún àdúrà lórúkọ Jésù, ẹ̀yin náà máa rí ìyanu tí